In question 5, you are asked to determine at what area, right, represents the maximum KE. To answer that, right, we can consider what is happening to the ball at various sections. Okay, so let's consider, right, this section first. Okay, followed by this and this section. So let's draw a free body diagram of the ball. From 1 meter all the way to 1 cm all the way to around 2.5 cm, you see that the spring force is actually bigger than the retardation force. Okay, so let me draw the spring force for the other guy as well. And the retardation force here, right, let's call it R. Okay, from 1 to 2 point something cm is smaller than the spring force. At 2.5 cm, right, is equal to the spring force. Okay, beyond that, right, retardation force is actually constant. Yeah, it's the spring force that is getting smaller. So we can actually see, right, that this guy is speeding up. Here, right, A is 0, and is slowing down because it is moving to the right, but the acceleration is to the left. So this part is a deceleration. So with that, right, it's not difficult to tell, right, that actually the maximum KE, right, will fall at 2.5 cm or around there. And which is the area, which area represent the maximum KE? We can apply, right, work energy theorem. So net work done equals to change in KE. Okay, so you start off with 0 KE. So the max KE, right, will be equals to the work done by the spring force plus the work done by the retardation force. If this graph, right, is to show you the forces, right, not just the magnitude, but also represent the direction, right, then the graph will actually show, will actually be like this. This will be spring force in the positive direction, and this will be the retardation force. And the work done, right, is the negative work. Whereas, right, the work done by the spring force is a positive work. So, right, here, this sum of work done, right, will be equals to, you can think about it as the area, right, that is just here. Because it's the green color area taking out the red color area. So it's just the blue color segment. So it will be W plus X.